What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money, from how to save money, make more money, side hustles, and everything in between. In today's video, I'm going to cover 5 websites for real work from home jobs. Not surveys, not side hustles, and not gig work. Real jobs, so stay tuned. So before we start, I just want to throw it out there. If you want to make a quick $100 for doing nothing else but opening up a new bank account, click the link in my description. When you sign up with Chime, you'll receive $100 for doing nothing else but opening up a bank account and depositing your first $200 into the account. All right, let's get right into it. So the first website for an actual work from home job is LiveOps.com. LiveOps is a virtual call center. They give you the flexibility to be self-employed, set your own hours, and work from anywhere. This is a great option if you want flexibility, but you will be an independent contractor, which means you have to pay your own taxes and you won't have any type of insurance, medical, dental, or anything else. They offer a variety of different categories as an agent: retail support, tax support, healthcare support, on-demand entertainment, inbound sales, insurance claims, home delivery support, customer service, and government support. So if you've ever been on a customer service call and you hear a kid in the background, more than likely it's work from home somewhere like LiveOps. So here's an example of what you can make with LiveOps per week. A 20-hour week, you'd make $200. 25, you make about $3. And a 30-hour week, you make about $400 more or less. Actual earnings depend on call volume, number of calls taken, and other factors. LiveOps isn't available in every state. This graph here shows you where they are and where they aren't available. For LiveOps, as well as some of these other websites, you will need some basic equipment. You're gonna need a corded USB headset that's compatible with your computer. You're gonna need a phone line, internet, and a computer with virus protection, which is pretty standard stuff.
If it ain't making me money, making me better, or making me happy, ain't making time for it. This is Currency Counts quote of the day.
Let's move on to the next one. The second one is NexRep. Not NexRep, it's NexRep.com. With NexRep, you get to set your own schedule, make great money, and do things you love. And there's a lot of different categories here as a virtual assistant rep. Another thing that's cool about NexRep that LiveOps doesn't have is they also have chat, email, text, and social support. LiveOps is just a call center, which you're actually on the phone. With NexRep, they have clients that you can do chat. Have you ever been on a website and you have that little bubble pop up, is there anything I can help you with? That's who you'd be. You'd be the person on the business side actually helping the customer. So it's chat, email, text, and social. These are some of the brands you'd be working for: Sprint, AAA, Priceline, Vroom, and more. So it's easy to apply. You apply online, you schedule an interview time, you'll take a 10-minute interview, and they'll let you know if you're right for the position. Let's move on to the next one. This next one is Sykes.com, Sykes.com. These guys also have actual call centers, brick and mortar locations. So you're gonna go to careers, you're gonna go all the way down here to the bottom, and on the left side, you're gonna go to work at home. So down here, it's gonna tell you what they have available, work from home. Customer service rep, remote customer service support agent, work from home. Technical support advisor, work from home. All this different stuff's work from home. So it really doesn't matter what state these are in, they're gonna be work from home, so you can apply for those. And Sykes, like the other 2 websites I mentioned, are call center jobs. The next one is workingsolutions.com. And with Working Solutions, you'd be working for companies like Planet Art, Peloton, Zillow, StubHub, TurboTax, and more. You scroll all the way to the bottom, I wanna work from home, and you apply from here. So here's an example of pay from Working Solution. Based on $15 an hour at 7 hours per day, you'd make $105. If you work 5 days, you'd make $525 per week. And this is working from home on your own schedule. Agents can make more or less depending on the program and incentives. Financial incentives are available on various programs that increase the base hourly rate. So that would probably be on a program where you're in sales calls, they'd give you a commission of something you'd sell. What's that, number 3 or number 4? That's number 4. Let's go to the last one, number 5. So number 5, the 5th real work from home job is Outplex.com. So you'll go to explore careers. So down here, after you go to explore careers, you're gonna go to work from home, US, and they do have bilingual service rep positions available, as well as regular work at home customer service reps. And you'd be working for companies like Humana, Rosetta Stone, American Express, AT&T, Lowe's, and more. As a work at home agent, you'd be assisting customers answering answering general questions to resolve problems by clarifying issues, researching and exploring answers and alternative solutions, implementing solutions and escalating unresolved issues via chat or phone. Sounds pretty simple. Ability to type 30 to 50 words per minute with 0 errors, able to multitask, and a few different skills and specifications. Computer requirements the same as the others, must have Windows operating system, not Mac compatible, and a high school or GED equivalent. So there it is, 5 real work from home job websites. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to check out all my other money making videos. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.